outside long ago, never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my heart. Because the greatest Lord is happening to me. Have found the greatest love inside of me.